Okay. Who want to open an early Christmas gift today?
Me!
All right, Kayla.
Hey!
You like it?
Yeah!
Yeah. Okay. How about who's this? Who's this?
Mason!
Mason. Okay. Let's go.
Okay, early Christmas?
You guys, have you been good, Kayla?
Yes!
Okay. So we open early for one only. Okay.
Since when did this come here?
Huh?
Since when did this come here?
Yeah. Somebody gave it to us.
Who, Santa? Santa?
Yeah.
Santa, he gave for me!
Oh wow. Okay. Who want to open early Christmas gift?
This one!
There's one. Kayla, this is your early Christmas gift.
Yay! This one.
Okay, you want to sit down, please?
Yeah.
Over there, over the Christmas tree.
Can I open it?
Yes, you want to open? Who want to open first?
Me!
Okay, together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
What is this one?
What is that, Kayla?
iPad mini 4! Is that the iPad mini 4?
I don't know. What is that, Kayla?
iPad mini 4!
Oh, wow.
Wait, I can't open it. Is it actually the iPad mini?
I don't know. What does it say at the back?
Where? Oh my god! Mini iPad!
Okay, who want to open the inside?
Me!
Open it.
It's the iPad mini 4! Where is the iPad mini 4? Where? How do you open this one? How do you open this one?
You cut it.
Oh.
Okay, who want to go get the case? Let's go
Me.
get the case.
Me!
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
I just got a new iPad mini 4. I can play Fortnite.
Let's go. This way.
You put all the... You spent all that money?
Okay. See the case in the box over there?
This one?
Yeah. Want to go get the case?
This one? Ow! Oh, I found it! iPad mini 4. I did it! Good thing there's roughness. Mine is blue, yours is pink.
What color is yours, Kayla?
Pink!
What is that for?
Mini iPad.
What is it for?
You can press this one.
Oh, wow. And which one is yours, Mason?
Which one? The case?
Yeah.
Blue.
Want to show me your color?
The back is blue. The front is like an app picture.
Oh, wow. Who want to open it?
Me!
Okay, who know how to open?
Me! Not me.
Okay, you want to get something to open it?
I'm getting scissors to open the Scissor.
Scissor?
Yeah.
No, don't open that with scissor, Mason.
Why?
Here, you want to open this one?
Yeah.
Like this. Look.
What? Where did you scratch it? Here? Oh, you can scratch it?
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Here you go.
Oh, be careful, Kayla. You could break it.
Slowly.
I was actually. Oh my goodness. Is this a tablet?
Don't take the plastic yet. I have to put the case for you.
Oh yeah.
Yes, see, Kayla.
It doesn't turn off because
Yes, it does have the battery in there.
Oh.
See? But
Oh.
don't remove the thing yet. What's your iPad, Kayla?
Dude, this is
It's
so
right here.
cool. Oh.
It's right here.
Card. Oh.
It's right here.
What?
It's in the box. You didn't see that?
Yeah.
You didn't see that?
Yeah.
Careful.
Oh, ooh.
What color is it, Kayla? Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet.
Don't open it. We have to.
I'll put a case on for you. What color is it?
Silver.
Silver. What color is Mason? Mason, what's your color?
Blue.
No, your iPad.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, I thought gold. Oh, hold on.
All right. Look at
It
that.
says hello.
Yeah, we have to go through those steps first, okay?
Bonjour.
Okay.
What?
Let's put on the case. Come on now, sit down and hope you open the case, okay? Oh, I forgot the thing. Remember that little plastic, the box that you took out from the brown box, Mason?
Yeah.
Can you go get that? Because there's the screen thing on it.
I know how to get it. This one?
Yeah, that one. So what's inside?
I see.
Just open that little box.
I knew it. This was so open.
Here we go. It's right here somewhere. Open it right here. Oh, here it is. There it is. There we are. Oh, don't break it. It's one each.
What's this?
That's a screen protector.
Oh, a screen protector.
Yeah, look, it's a screen protector. Look. Look, see? It protected the screen.
But it's hard.
Yeah, don't break it. Don't break it.
It's hard.
Okay, let me help you guys, okay?
I don't know how to put a screen.
Oh, wait, let me do it. Okay, let's see. We have
Hello.
this iPad. Is this Kayla?
Yeah? Wait, so Daddy, when you turn it on, it'll first say the Canadian hello, and then it says press home to open. That's a sticker.
That's not stickers.
What's that?
That's for the clean the iPad.
Can I open the charger?
No, not yet. Okay, let's do this one at a time. Okay, this is Kayla,
I'm
right?
taking up my charger out.
Hold on, Kayla. Hold on. Here.
There you go, my charger.
This Kayla works. Yeah, it works.
Press home to open.
Yeah, hold on. But we gotta do all this was I can't see anything.
What? Look, the back. Look, you can see it on the back.
Yeah, I know. But we gotta open this so that I can do the. Oh, here it is.
My color is pink.
Hold on. Don't touch the front screen yet. So if you touch the front screen, it's very hard to get it clean. Okay? So don't touch it yet. Let Daddy help you with this.
At least I
See?
just touched the back.
Yeah, just leave it. There.
I just touched the back.
And then.
You put the screen protector on. This is so cool. I got the lucky. We both got the same one. I knew it. This one could be the iPad Mini 4 because it looked like the size of it. Plus, it looks like the size of my iPad Mini 2. You're putting it perfect, right? Hey, stop. I really want to touch this now.
Look at that. See? It's going. It's going. Is it done?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's perfect. Oh, not yet. It's almost perfect. There it is. Just gotta put the air out.
What air? That air?
Yeah.
How do you? It doesn't look like air to me.
Look, there's air here. See that?
So you just push it out?
Mm-hmm.
Why does air go inside everything? Right? Where's hello? Don't press the home button.
Okay, where's your pink, Kayla?
Right here. Right here.
Can you open that? It's right here. It's down here. Look, open this.
Oh!
It's right here at the bottom.
The bottom?
Is this your Christmas gift?
Yes! Woo. I'm so lucky. We're so lucky we got the right one for our life.
Okay, you want to put this on? You want to take the little things out?
And
There we go.
this iPad. Oh, look! Oh! Look! Yes, it iPad. Look! Picture, Daddy. Peaches. It's like the same thing as my old iPad Mini 2.
Cái miếng này hơi bự à nha. This screen protector is not that great
Why?
because
It's what?
the thing is a bit bigger than the iPad. See?
That's because. Oh.
It's bigger than the iPad, so when the case goes on, it doesn't seem to fit.
Tắt nha.
Mm-hmm.